Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing What You Know! The world I forget the stats, you know. You know it's What You Know, Mada, and it's Warlord, the Skystar leader. Kaboom! What You Know.
Hey, watching a man, do me a favor, leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, click the notification bell and turn on all notifications, so when time we drop fresh new content, you will be the first to get it. Hey, so viewers and subscribers, Jaii from the Let's Be Honest podcast and his co-host, walk and talk, jump off people, yes man. You see, I want to think in life, you know. You see, anything we're good never lasts forever. Anything we're good never lasts for long, people. And you know, Jaii always have the Let's Be Honest podcast and also Toxic Talk from at all the time. But you know, whenever I'm now have an interview with an artist or a celebrity, him always bring on walk and talk. You see me I say, and you know them have a good vibe, a good energy, a debate, you know, back and forth about current issues. You see me I say, people. So it's a good vibe all around. But you know, them did a show in the week where they must say, oh, the artist summer song, you know, is either Armani or, you know, Valiant. Is it Valiant? One of them artists say. But anyway, Jaii did a say, you know, Armani, and they have Walk and Talk, I say, it's not Armani. Well, the fans them never really know what go on in them circle, like I said before. You get to me, I say, him did forget a dub from Armani, and Armani never do it or never do it yet. So you know him gone up in them feelings, and I say, and Armani have the artist song, so you know it all played out. Be a feeling start carry on, be a something people. So I play the video now, and we just go and pre.
Yo, come in there and apologize to Armani.
Stop, that's Village for Fresh then.
No, more apologize.
No, Village Fresh.
Yeah, I'll keep that one for post by mine.
You know the young legend there, right?
No one that tonight to them. No one that young
Sorry, yo, stop. Village man, my youth. That's like, Mark.
Yo, no, because this way I'll video and laugh. No matter if you come back.
I'm going to joke thing in that, brother. Or that didn't like me a celebrity, dog. I swear, that didn't like me a star, bro. I swear, dog. But now I didn't like me a star, bro. If I'm coming up, if I don't know me enough, didn't like us, I try walk and talk.
I true know you're a pussy,
on a day, didn't like sit like
you move like a pussy.
But anyway, still, I'm on it. Only for respect, I'm here going. No matter what you mean, that I'm here good. Sorry for what me say. Big up yourself.
What you say?
Say that because girls, I'm not feeling away.
No, looking at the camera when you're
alright, I feel away because I don't sing it up them, but overall, it's my biggest song.
Why the song?
Why the song? The song. I don't want a song where I didn't want the song like I promote the song. I want a song about already.
Sing two lines of song we say to really rate the thing.
That's cool, man.
Sing two sign. Hey!
I know your song.
You don't know it, generate me.
If I give it the pussy, I better me sure. But you don't fuck
So viewers and subs, that video was a snowball that turned into an avalanche. Because right after that video, as they were taping, you know what I mean, Jaii was making fun of him saying he saw a video where he looked scared. You see me I say, I want to talk, I defend himself, I say, oh, him they think a joke. And then them go post it on, you know, Quest Times. It's like them a try clown him out and thing. And you know, it all turned out into an argument after the show wrapped up. You know what I mean, Walk and Talk went live and started showing shades at Jaii, and then Jaii also went live and saying he was going to expose the truth. And trust me people, he did post a video where, you know what I mean, uncut, it was just raw before they actually cut out some scenes. So I'm not gonna pray the pray.
Man talk like an hour ago, I'm gonna say, bro, just come on the media, tell people them say they're a trip, cause it's not a misunderstanding. You know what I say? We never have no misunderstanding. You know exactly what you do, you know exactly why you didn't do it. You get me? And you come on the media, bro. Right? No, but they even want to cry that, cause you know me bad, you know my body, you know that. You see me? And you forward and you diss my dog. You diss me, bro. And you promise my friend them shot. You know where you get gun from, but you promise my friend them shot. And now you gotta do a live, and the first live you gotta do is, yo, look out for the Let's Be Real podcast. That's crazy. I've begged you 1,000,001 times. Start your own shit. I even give you a camera. People give you editors, video people, but you gotta fuel yourself with hate. You gotta fuel yourself with hate now. Just for come style me. Now all of a sudden you're ready for do a show. Like all along me I said, dog, you can make your own money. You can do everything what you want. Now you're ready for, and then you gotta do a play on words of my show. That not crazy to you, bro? That not crazy to you? Let's Be Real podcast. Like, come on, dog. Nah, bro, this shit really hurt my dog. You see me? This really hurt my dog. And all of this is because of ego. You see me? All of this is because of ego. I'm a hope, because honestly, I'm gonna say me have the proof. Me never diss someone, I've never dissed that guy before. Never, ever dissed that guy before, dog. And then you know, I come take where how much in bad mind bumbo was a road for say about me about how rent house and Benz and the little Benz I fool them and them something there, dog. Bro, that shit hurt me, dog. I'm not gonna lie, dog. That shit hurt me, bro. You see me? That shit hurt me. You fuck. And then I'ma call you, dog, a joke, dog, and me ain't never have no joke, bro. Me ain't never have no joke. So here what I gotta do. I'm gonna post an unedited, raw podcast. Raw podcast. No touch from the memory card to the YouTube. And uno make your own judge. Some people just don't live. Some people just don't like. Some people just don't like people I tell the truth, bro. Come to talk about you now.
Yeah.
So, walk and talk. See a video one day, yeah? We like you look nervous.
Brother.
See
no nervous. Me want to fix it.
Alright, I'll be with you.
Yeah.
You look nervous to me.
That look nervous, brother,
so
dog.
if you want to see you weren't nervous at the time, cool.
Jay,
but you look.
we got this on camera.
Can DJ my song?
Yeah.
Can you wait?
Yeah.
Patience.
Yeah.
Alright? You look nervous. So, what happened? Why were you apologizing to Armani?
Alright. I was at the studio, me and Valiant. I'm going to do a 45 for my boss. Right? Need the song. So Valley they are ramp and Valley they are ramp.
Who, for Joe? For Joe?
No, for Justice.
So how much boss you have?
You know, Justice and Joe, I'm a general them, man. Justice and Joe, I ramp with them. Two rich people. I mean, I look with black people, you know. Anyway, still.
Can you look with yourself?
I no look with my own self. I don't like my own self.
Okay.
Listen. Reach out to the Valley I ramp from Valley I play.
Pause.
You see it? Walk it. Wait, take the Valley. You sing song now? Alright, do it. I apologize, I'm singing song for you. I'm going to say, alright, I do it then. I mean, I laugh. I take it for a joke. I'm going to take it serious. Bro,
you take it serious?
I'm on him. When want him?
We're not going to do that, you know.
You see? We're not going to do that.
We're not going to do that.
I'm going to try to style me.
No, you know what?
I'm going to push something on him bad this in jail.
No. Because you're not going to talk as if I don't know the story.
Yeah.
You even tell the people them initially, you come on the show.
Yeah.
And you said the man don't have the hottest girl song.
Yeah, it's still not a girl song.
How?
A man still got his
How? You see, that's not the problem. Why do I show name? I can't DJ my song. Why do I show name? Let's be honest. And because you in your feeling, because a man don't do a dub for you. Which whatever you have, you come here so and your honest views get skewed because you have your personal thing to go on. That's fuckery, bro.
Brother,
that's fuckery.
That's why when him start releasing, I start telling him, alright, when could video the party, I tell me, say, Walkie.
Bro,
you don't know when I go through, Walkie, with my son and Ray, Jay call me, I don't answer. Him call me, I don't answer. Walkie, I go through my personal thing. I'm say, John, how you feel?
But you're a grown man, you're supposed to know that.
I'm say, I'm sorry for what I go on, bro. Ray. Him video it. I'm even a joke about it too. True Valiant, my laugh.
Number one,
the people might beat him bad enough.
Number one, he's the one, he never released the video. Let's get that straight.
Who released the video?
I not him release the video. I call you, but me tell you off camera. He did not release the video. Because you see where Armani there, so I couldn't him release the video because it's not theme angle. Him never video the video come out. First and foremost. You need to be a grown man.
Me a little man on the deal, talk.
Yeah,
Jay, remember touch on camera. Me not take more, no more this song about
and that's fine, so why are these people?
And if
you have to come here, sir. Bro, me tell you, the shouting thing, yo, you hear me? The shouting thing, yo, you hear me? The shouting thing not work. Yo, the shouting thing not work. The shouting thing not work.
Bro, let me take on camera,
bro, shut the fuck up, bro.
Cause I'm a waste man,
shut the fuck up, bro.
Me alone, dog.
Bro, stop capping on camera, bro, please. I'm never put on this. Just shut up, bro. Cause you talk be a fucker now. You come on the show and the first you do it. You come on the show, you have your personal thing, me ask you something. Normal, you are gonna say the man not the artist this, the man not the artist that. When all of us say is, yo, yeah, so you feel cool. Me personally feel so and call it a day. You go on and if I say, yo, me a friend out the thing as if anytime Armani drop, me I gonna say the biggest song, when that was never the case. Stop it, bro. You need to understand when you're fucking around, you come and talk about liquor and all them stuff. Bro, just stop that shit, bro. Bro, stop that shit, bro. Bro, stop that shit. Just stop, bro. Listen to me, just stop that, bro. Stop that shit, bro.
Put out this,
Stop that shit.
In a chair, but...
Yeah, talk fucking...
Me have it as joke in a chair. Me never say
serious. You for have it as joke when you...
say serious, but they go suck him, man. They say serious, brawling.
Bro, stop do that, bro. You never did, bro.
Bro,
you're capping.
Everybody a laugh, everybody a laugh.
You're capping.
Every time I done, everybody say, yo.
Bro, you want serial liar, bro?
You don't have a
I'm not put out this tomorrow. You want serial liar, bro?
Put it out.
You call my fucking phone saying that, dog, the man them are this and that. Go back around.
After
you
that,
know the man them serious, that. Valley serious too. Stop, bro.
Valley never serious.
Bro, you tell me what you want to tell me?
Valley tell me, say, yo, me never serious.
I'm telling you,
back to me.
Bro, stop, bro.
Valley say, yo, me never serious.
Nah, yeah, all this tough stuff. Bro, tell the man them straight so you slap them. You know, you do? You should tell them straight, bro. You piss me off now, dog. Stop, bro. Because really and truly, dog, the man be one violated, dog. After the certain time, me man violated, dog. Stop your fucking, bro. Stop your fucking, bro. But be a talk and be a capping, bro. Stop me don't want to do shit with you, bro. Stop with your chattings, brother. Be a talk, bro. So why you never do that then? Why man call you pussy in front of your face? Why you never do that then?
Bro,
just stop with the talking, bro. You never did a laugh. You never did a laugh. You call my phone after the first time the man them call me, dog. Or the man them bring badness to me. But that you call me and say, where you do background this, sir? That's easy, bro. That's easy. That's like the toughest bumbuckler man in the world. Stop, bro. Stop with that shit there, brother. Yeah, this the man them first. This man are doing music, right? The man finding it a bumbuckler song and I do him thing. You know because you're pre the man of a dub, you come talk about dog, Jay, friend, you friend about this and rare. The man must feel a fucking way. What the fuck you talk about, bro? Me and I said the man, remember me never seen a video of movies my day and a man called me and said, you see the video? I Chad Lucci put out the fucking video. That's what ended up on Quest Time. And Jay can tell you, say, Chad Lucci shoot for fucking Quest Times. And I him call back for the fucking video. Well, I'm here, dog. Every fucking thing you depend one man suck your mother this and suck your man. So why you never tell him for the man and break you up? I that you should have do that and they go kill them. That you should have do.
Jay, up in Mada, man.
That you should have do then. So why you talking about now?
Dog.
Just stop it.
You know stop it. Come here some more. Kill him on the dog.
Brother, can't do man. Them can't do man, brother. So tell him that. You see how much time why you never tell him that? Why you never tell him that? You want to serve for them now? Do all you want for them. Stop it capping, dog. Stop it capping, bro. Stop it capping, bro.
Remember this man now too.
You this the man them for no fucking reason. What the fuck
brother,
you talk about?
What you think a joke?
You don't have none of them. You never think a joke. Stop cap. You called my phone, bro. You called my phone.
Brother.
You called my phone.
Brother.
And I said, oh, Armani. I said, bro, man, check me out. You said, the man I bring gun to him. I said, I don't man check me. He said, no, man, Jay. You called me. I said, go from gun, go back run. That's what you said.
When I laugh.
That's what you said.
Man,
that's what you said.
You called Jay for me start laughing.
Stop it, bro. Yeah, and you go back around with no gun. And I apologize for that. Stop it, bro. Bro, it's like you have a mental issue, bro.
I got this then.
You
ever hear about it? I got this then. I got this then.
When I want to see around licking your face, don't call me.
No boy can't lick my face, I can't lick my top thing. Pussy in the yard, me I go.
Alright then.
By the yard, me I go. A gunshot.
Never stone the hill. You the one buggery, I come here and want to cap all them somebody. Simple. Brush off for something, call it a day. So that daddy feel away. I understand why I feel away. Me feel away because I never get my dub then, but I'm not serious. Yeah, come now about me lick. You not lick nobody, bro. Look out for them talkings around me, dog. I want to tell you, bro, look out for them talkings. I mean, I tell you to that. No man can this my friend them, bro. You ain't the friend them too, but we're not gonna make you this my friend them too. So what the fuck you not chatting for, bro? It's easy, dog.
When you get this star for him, because after when the call last time, you get my cassette.
No fucking pass for nobody, bro.
No worry yourself, man. We never test him back and get talk over now.
But this and all them from the. You go around the man, I mean, none of them energy. All of a sudden, you're the toughest thing on internet. Let go that, brother. Let go that, bro. Let go them argument, brother. So you're there on the man. The man them this year, you go back around. Why you never say that? You not to me a circle back now, I wonder. Oh, not talk stuff to me. You never have wonder. And you go around there again after the video post. 3 times you go around in a one fucking day. Let go that, bro. It's not that deep. You have make it a big fucking situation. The youth feel away. Me and you know, Armani do not care about nothing named badness. Nothing named badness. The man feel away over music. All the man care about is music. If him do a voice, the man try to distract you. See that already, bro. Yo, Jay, bring me down a studio now. Cool, the man feel away. The man finally get him break now. Him own a name. You Ray. The man see you, Ray, it done. Even the dub. I joke the man that this head of me now. The man around literally joke. Walk and talk, never believe. One legend. Oh, the man this year. Not one time the man called you a pussy, a batty boy, nothing. A joke, all the way a joke. Cool, the joke get too far. No reason now. Simple, dead it. You dey pan you got lick man, you not lick nobody, bro. Let go them argument in the dog. Bumbuckler, you talk all this tough things to me when you dead in front of the man them. How much in fucking time? You never say that one of this shit to the man them. You never say that, watch you now. Me I don't feel like take it joke or serious, but me I take it serious now. Me I know one of that one. You never say none of that, so why you dey all this talking thing, bro? Bumbuckler, you want me to chat things, bro? Like you never there in front of the man them. And the man, yeah man, bro, no man can call me a pussy on the camera. And Ray, I gotta tell me your people say what people never say.
What you tell me? What about it, man?
Bro, let's stop being fucking nice, brother. Bo, this and that, man. Flick, man. You know how nobody, bro. Don't keep them